white van. I'll see if I can get the license plate number for you.
On April 30th, 2025, officers in Manteca were dispatched to a reported disturbance at the In-N-Out Burger located on East Yosemite Avenue. Driving a white pickup truck, 69-year-old Charles McGonigal II allegedly struck another vehicle on purpose in the drive-thru, trying to push it aside. Police responded quickly to the scene. As officers reached the scene, McGonigal crashed his truck into a patrol unit twice. An officer responded by firing several shots while the suspect stayed inside. While backup was en route, police tried calming him with commands, offering medical aid if he was injured. Talks continued for more than 20 minutes as nearby businesses evacuated.
Sir, put your car in park! Put your car in park! Send me code 3 so you can my car. Stop! Stop! Give me 5 shots. No, I don't want to hurt you, okay? Slowly exit out of the vehicle. He's smoking a cigarette in his right hand. I can't see his left hand.
What's he reaching for? Watch out. He's mobile. He's mobile. You need to pin him in. You get one of these. Hold up. Hold up. Crossbar! Crossbar! Crossbar!
Even after long talks, McGonigal hit the gas and crashed into another police car twice. Because the danger continued, 4 officers fired their guns and hit him. When he stopped being a threat, police gave first aid and quickly took him to a nearby trauma hospital, where doctors later said he was dead.